Hi there, and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to download and share the current bill for a guest using your property management system during their stay. Let's get started. First, open the front office module. Then, go to the stay section. This is where you'll find a list of all the guests currently checked in at the hotel. Now look for the room number of the guest whose bill you'd like to download. Once you find it, simply click on the room number to open the guest details. On the top right corner of the next screen, you'll see an option labeled View Bill. Click on View Bill, and you'll be able to see the current charges for the room. From here, you can either print the bill directly or click on the Download button to save it. Once downloaded, you can easily share the file with the guest via email or any other preferred method. And that's it. That's how you download and share a bill while the guest is still staying at your property. If you run into any issues or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always happy to help. And don't forget to check out our other tutorials in the description for more handy tips and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.